Hey everyone, Gil at Camp Pet Family Compound. Yeah, I got the tractor running in the background here because I'm going to be using it to move all the snow I've been piling up here with a shovel. So we're going to try to get clear. It just started to snow a little bit more, so that's what I'm going to try doing here. All right, let me get the camera set up here and we'll get at it. right, so some of it you missed because just where things were aimed over here. Let's see if I can get out here and show you what I did over here. And I pushed the snow way back out of the way there so I can keep this clear over here. And I pushed some back over here out of the way for future pushing and stuff, keeping it clear. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. I was a little late in getting that. I should have done that a couple times earlier on the snows, but it was just not feeling up to it at the time. So now I got it cleaned off. I can keep it a little bit better now up on it. I got a little more cleaning up here to do in the shop, and then I can park the truck. There it is inside. And once the truck's parked inside, it'll be easier to get out here and work around to keep stuff up. One of the problems I was having right along here, from the heat tape off the house, if I get my hand aim right, heat tape off that comes out right there, and the water would run across, and it gets about there and would start freezing. So I got a small problem that I'm gonna have to deal with, and we'll see how that goes as time moves along. So if I'm able to keep the snow off it, hopefully the water will keep running on farther across, and won't have to worry about that. All right. So before I go, I want to remind you that there is a 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on over on Gray Man Prepping. I'll put the link to that right up here. I got a 4,000 subscriber giveaway here coming up. I'll put the link to that here. I'll put the Gray Man link up over here and another video down here. All right, see you around.